Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. If people in a one country are fight against them one another, how you think that country there are going to succeed? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And yes, if you not do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 12 from verse 22 to verse 32. Then them carry one man where did have demon in him come to Jesus. The man did blind and he couldn't chat neither. Jesus make him get back better so the man could talk and see. Everybody we see what happen jaw drop a ground the way they frightened. Them say, I could have David pick me this. But when the Pharisee people them hear this, hear them now, him can't run out no demon if I know Beelzebul, the demon ruler, give him power to run them out. No, Jesus didn't know what they in their mind. So him said to them, say, it no matter which kingdom, if the people them will live in there, a fight against them one another, it nah go last. And no town or family where have people a fight against them one another can turn up strong. If Satan a run out Satan, he might fight against himself. So, all in kingdom a go last. And if a Beelzebul give me power for run out demon, then a who give phone a follower them power for run them out. The sitting them where you own a follower them do prove say you no wrong. But if a God give me power for run out demon, that means say God a rule monks you already. How somebody if you go in a one strong man house and thief in sitting them if they not time up first. When them time up, at that time they can take away everything. Anybody when not depend femicide a fight against me. And all of who not help me gather a scatter. Them a scatter. And that make me tell you say people are gonna get pardon from every wicked and terrible sitting where them do and every wicked sitting where them say about God. But anybody we say wicked sitting about God's spirit, them nah get pardon. Anybody we chat bad against the man we God pick, God will pardon them. But anybody we chat bad against the Holy Spirit, them nah go get pardon. Them nah get pardon in a da life, yeah? Or the life we are go come. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.